For question number 3, I want to try to take out a GCF, and there isn't a GCF. So I want to try to factor this further. This is a trinomial, so I can factor this by the AC method. I do want to take this time to show you an alternate way to factor a trinomial, and this will only work if there's no coefficient in front of the x squared, or you could say there's an implied 1 here. So if you have a coefficient of 1, or you could just say no coefficient, we're going to do fast factoring. You could do AC on this one if you still want to. I'm just trying to show you an alternate way. And we can only do this if, again, there's a coefficient of 1 there. So how we do it is we're going to put 2 parentheses. I'm going to put an x and an x. And then this next step is similar to the AC method. It's just the context is a little bit different. So I need to get 2 numbers, and the 2 numbers need to multiply to be the third term, but add to be the second one. So I need 2 numbers that multiply to be negative 27, but add to be negative 6. And that would be negative 9 and plus 3. And that would be my answer. So I'm not using the 2 numbers to like split my middle term up. I'm just using the 2 numbers directly as my answer. If you were to use AC method, you would get the same thing. But this is just a faster way that we can do it when we don't have any coefficient in front of the x squared. And it only works if there is no coefficient in front of the x squared. If there was like a 7 or something in front of this, it would not work. Let's look at 4. I want to try to take out a GCF, and it looks like I can take out a 3x, which would leave me with x squared minus 3x minus 10. And then I want to try to factor the trinomial on the inside more. And this one also I can use fast factoring, because this x squared technically has a coefficient of 1. So I can put my 2 parentheses, x and x, and then just directly ask what 2 numbers multiply together to give me negative 10, but add together to give me negative 3. And that would be a negative 5 and a plus 2. Again, I don't need to split this up. I don't need to do factor by grouping. I can just directly put negative 5 and plus 2. And then I can't forget to bring down my 3x. And that would be my answer.